The past 10 years for mining has become much safer. The carnage in the mines 100 or so years ago led to the creation of the U.S. Bureau of Mines in 1910, which is charged with investigating and improving mine safety. Fatalities have dropped gradually since then. Also helping to cut deaths was the switch to surface mining from underground mining. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, more than twice as much coal has been produced by surface mining than from underground mining. 50 years ago, underground mining was accounted for 3/4 of U.S. coal production. Of course, mining safety has improved thanks to much better equipment, such as stronger ventilation systems for removing dust and gas, and changes in operating procedures have also reduced to the cut of accident rates. From 1911 through 1997, approximately 103,000 miners died at work. During 1911 to 1915, an average of 3,329 mining-related deaths occurred per year, approximately 1 million miners employed annually, with an average annual fatality rate of 329 per 100,000 miners. During the century, the average annual number of workers in the mining industry has declined to approximately 356,000, and deaths have dropped approximately 37-fold, from 3,329 to 89. Historically, the largest number of miners have been killed by collapsing mine roofs and vertical walls, followed by hauled-related incidents. However, methane gas and coal dust explosions have caused the largest number of deaths from disasters. Airborne suspension of dry coal dust and natural liberation of methane create an environment susceptible to explosions. From 1911 through 1920, explosions accounted for approximately 84% of all disaster-related deaths. Workplace interventions during the first half of the century led to dramatic decline in explosion-related fatalities, from an average of 477 per year in 1906 to 1910 to less than 3 per year in 1991 to 1995. Bill 2627, also known as Caring for Coal Miners, has many pros, and it also has a few cons. First off, this bill will save lives. The bill goes into deep description on how there should be regulations and rules to ensure that all of the miners are completely safe. The bill, however, also has some cons. For example, it only has examples and laws for surface mining, which is only about 60% of all mining, whereas the other 40% is underground. This bill requires that the MSHA inspect all mines each year. All underground mines are to receive at least 4-year inspections annually. All surface operations are to be inspected at least twice annually. MSHA is specifically prohibited from giving advance notice of an inspection, and it's authorized to enter mine property without warrant. So the mines must always be following these regulations to ensure that the mine will stay open and running. Additional inspections and investigations to ensure safe and healthy work environments for miners. For example, mines that release large amounts of methane gas are to receive more frequent inspections. Mines determined to be exceptionally hazardous may receive more frequent inspections to again ensure safety for the miners. As you can see, this bill should definitely be passed for many reasons. It will ensure that all mines are safe and that miner safety will be put above all.